Good morning, Poston. Today is February 29th, the last day of the month. I'm William.
And I'm Jimmy. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance
to the flag of the United States of America,
to the republic
for which it stands, one nation,
under God,
indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
AP students, the exam registration deadline is fast approaching. If you have not paid for your exam, please do so ASAP.
Full payments for the exams is Friday, March 11th. No registrations or payments will be accepted after these dates, so do not miss the deadline. Please turn in your registrations and fees into Miss Jessica Barr in the bookstore.
PBHS Film and TV has pledged to raise $1,000 for Relay for Life this year. To help raise the money, we are selling cut cancer pins. You can purchase a cut cancer pin from any student in the Film and TV program, or stop by Mr. Stahl's in E111.
The price for the pin is $1, and with all funds going towards Relay for Life, these pins were made using the materials donated by Mr. Stahl in honor of his grandfather, who lost the battle to cancer in 2012. So pick up one today.
Do you like fairy tales, musicals? Come see Poston Butte Theater Troupe's production of Susan and the Scissor Women, March 3rd through the 5th at 7 p.m. There's a mandatory parent meeting on April 4th at 6 in the library for anybody interested in trying out for PBHS, POM, or cheer team. Tryouts are on April 19th, 20th, and the 21st from 2:30 to 5 p.m. in the practice gym.
All days are mandatory. If your parent or guardian cannot attend, you must immediately contact Coach Duckett.
Applications to be part of League Crew next school year are out. They are available in D210, the library, or the front desk.
They are due to Mr. Christensen no later than Friday, March 4th. Remember, any current sophomore or junior may apply.
Stuco will be selling tickets to Neon Night Explosion during celebration and lunch for $18 pre-sale and $20 at the door.
There will be fireworks, a DJ, and a raffle for an iPad and other prizes, and throwing powdered paint, so wear white.
Powder Puff is right around the corner. Monday, March 7th, the junior class will be taking on the seniors in a thrilling game of flag football. Who will win?
You'll have to be there to find out, so tickets will be sold all next week for only $4.
There will be another school talent show, Poston's Got Talent, March 7th, 2016, during 7th hour.
Sign-up sheets are outside the Student Council Room A146.
That's all, folks. I'm William.
And I'm Jimmy. See you later.